I'm in the Ford F-150 2015-2020, and I have kind of a simple key, not a smart key, and I'll show you how to replace the battery in these key fobs. They usually tend to die about once every 8-7 years, so it's not like in a smart fob they will die every year. So you need something like a small screwdriver, and here in the fob, this is the cover for the battery, so the bottom part, and here you have kind of a cavity, small hole. You need to insert the screwdriver and then just move it up a little bit to open the box. And then you have this CR2032 battery that you just take out with the help of a screwdriver, then install the new one, make sure it sits tightly, and then place the plastic lid and make sure it clicks on all sides. And that's all. The key fob battery is replaced. In keyless entry fobs you will have the metal key that you can take out, and then in the place where you took out this metal key, you may insert the metal key or a screwdriver, but you will need a bigger screwdriver, and then twist this key or a screwdriver, whatever you have, and the key will and you will be able to take apart the key and see the CR2032 battery. Fortunately, in these non-keyless entry fobs, the battery survives for much longer.